Hey, beautiful people, welcome to episode 51 of Credit 101. In this episode, I'm going to tell you guys what you need to do before you apply for credit. And this is everything that I do before I apply for any credit. I need to do these steps first because I don't like to apply for credit blindly. I don't want to get denied. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look on Credit Karma. I'm going to make sure everything's up to date. Everything's looking good. My payment history is good. And I'm just going to look on there and see what my TransUnion and my Equifax score is looking like. I know my credit scores are lower than normal, but I'm still going to look on there and see like where am I at, okay? And also I will look on the Experian app because TransUnion and Equifax is on Credit Karma, but Experian is not on there. So the Experian app will give you access to that for free. So definitely be able to go ahead and get that Experian app and you'll be able to see that. Now, another thing I like to look at is my utilization. If I have a high utilization, I'll see which credit card is going to report the soonest. So technically it's the 9th of November when I'm recording this. I think it's going to come out probably 3 or 4 days after that. But I will look and see, okay, which one is going to report in the next few days if my credit score is low and I need to get it higher or lower than I want it to be. I will look and see, okay, can I just pay that credit card out and wait till they report and then I can use the credit card again, so at least it can be a lower balance reporting. Now, that's very important because a lot of people don't think like that. They have money sitting in their account. They could just pay down the credit card. Their credit score could have went up 20, 30 points from just paying down that one credit card, and then they could have had a greater chance of getting approved for whichever account that they want to apply for. So definitely do that. Also look at the inquiries, see if there's any inquiries on there that shouldn't be on there, any inquiries that can be removed, because these inquiries, they don't hurt your credit as much, but some companies don't want to see inquiries. They don't, honestly. And then also these inquiries, if you get them removed, it can go up 3 or 4 points, and those points count. Every point count when it comes down to applying for any credit. So I would definitely look at that. And last but not least, I would like to confirm which credit bureau they're pulling from. So when I want to apply for something, say if you guys are applying for Navy Federal, you need to know that they're pulling from TransUnion. That way you're not looking all on the Experian app trying to figure out what you do to get your Experian score up. You need to try to look on Credit Karma to see what you can do to get your TransUnion credit score up. Okay? Going to PFED, you know they're going to pull from Equifax. So you need to look on there and see what's going on with your Equifax credit report. Okay, so definitely know that those are the steps that I think you guys should take. Those are the steps that I personally take just to make sure everything is good before I actually apply for credit. So in episode 52 is what we're going to do now. I'm going to talk to you guys about what you should do every time you get denied for credit. I'll see you guys there.